Good morning. So this is a beautiful day in Cornwall, de la Boule. I hope I'm getting that name right. Today's plan is to go for a boat tour. I've never been in a boat before, so this is going to be a new experience for me. And going out into water in the middle of nowhere, just surrounded by water. That's the thought of it is scary and exciting at the same time. So we're going to go to Rock, and from Rock we'll take a ferry to Padstow. From there, we'll take a boat to the middle of the sea. So basically, I can't wait for it.
An average gale with ground sea would produce 15 feet of surf there on a regular basis. 30 feet is not unheard of.